What's up guys, Steve here, and after using the Kumara K552 for 2 months now, I'm going to go ahead and share my experience using the keyboard. The keyboard is a TKL keyboard which gives lots and lots of space for my mouse as well as some space on my desk. Although this is on my part for choosing blue switches, I added some O-rings just to dampen the sound when I'm working late at night. What I'm about to play is the sound test with the O-rings on, and I'll do a comparison without and with the O-rings. Next, I'm going to show you guys the audio with and without O-rings. For some reason, my microphone didn't pick up any of the recording, so the audio is coming straight from my camera, not from my microphone. Because I like the tactile and clicky feeling of the blue switches, typing on this as well as gaming on it is very pleasurable. One thing for design is that it has a gamer-esque type of font. In my personal opinion, that looks kinda cheap. Of course, there isn't much to expect from a gaming keyboard, and I'm willing to deal with that. On the topic of design, the rubber feet on the bottom are poorly placed. It only has 2 rubber feet that hold it in place when the retractable legs are up, and only stay in place once the retractable legs are out. Although this keyboard is made out of plastic, it surprised me how durable and well built it is. There definitely isn't any flex when pushing down on the keyboard. There is unfortunately no software for this keyboard to control all the LEDs, but there are many lighting effects that you can control using the keyboard. The LEDs aren't as bright as you want it to be, but it does suffice for me because I don't want the LEDs to be blinding me while I'm working. The logo is something that I don't really like. It just doesn't match my setup and it's just an ugly type of red. Honestly, they should have gone for more of a muted or a matted look. Honestly, with things aside, this keyboard is a very nice keyboard. With the price I got it for, which is $35, there is nothing that can beat it at its price point. In conclusion, I think this keyboard is a very nice keyboard considering its price point. I would definitely recommend for someone who's on a budget and who wants a nice mechanical keyboard. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.